Today, I will be showing you how to set up a card. To get started, look for the option that says Choose a Starting Point. Click on it to begin creating your card. This will open up different options that you can use as the foundation of your card. Next, scroll through the available templates. These templates are pre-designed layouts that can help you save time and give your card a clean, professional look. Choose one that best fits your purpose or the type of card you want to create. If you prefer full creative control, you can also choose to make a blank card from scratch. This option allows you to design everything yourself, including the layout, text, and visual elements. Once you've selected either a template or a blank card, you can start customizing it based on your needs and continue building from there. And that's how you set up a card. Thank you for watching.